Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Ganita Sar. So today we will discuss a topic on algebraic expressions. Okay, so see basic concepts of algebraic expression. Today we will discuss these topics. What is the difference between expression and equation, and based on terms, types of algebraic expression, and degree of algebraic expression, and like and unlike terms, and coefficients of the algebraic expressions. See, these algebraic expressions will be related to polynomials, okay, quadratic equations. So many topics will be covered under these algebraic expressions. So first we will discuss the basics of algebraic expressions. Then after in the future videos we will move on to the polynomials, whatever it may be, quadratic equations, all the topics I will be covering. Okay, now see, first what we have to know, what is meant by expression and equation. Okay, the first topic is what is meant by expression and an equation. What is the difference between expression and an equation? First of all, see, expression will be of two types. One will be numerical expression and the other will be algebraic expression. Okay, numerical expressions and algebraic expressions. Numerical expressions means it contains only numbers. Okay, numbers separated by mathematical operations. Means, for example, you can take minus 3 plus 2 minus 5. What you can see here, numbers with the mathematical operations, right? Means mathematical operations means minus, plus are there. So these kind of expressions are called as numerical expressions. Now algebraic expressions. Algebraic expression means what? Which contains numbers with alphabets. So alphabets are called as what? Alphabets are called as constants, variables, and numbers are called as constants. So this is very important part, remember that. So alphabets are called as variables in whatever you take, it may be algebraic expressions or polynomials now, and numbers are called as what? Constants. Okay, so algebraic expression contains variables with constants. Means you can take the example as 3x plus 2y minus 2. This is an algebraic expression. Why? Because we are having numbers or as well as variables. Means we are having constants as well as variables. So what is the main difference? Numerical expression means contains only numbers which are separated by mathematical operations, and algebraic expressions means contains variables and constants. This is the main difference between these are the two differences, that numerical expression and algebraic expression. Okay, now what is the difference between expression and equation? Why we will call equation separately and expression separately? Expression means in numerical expression like this and algebraic expression like this. Equation means definitely two expressions are separated by an equal symbol are called as equations. Okay, for example, you can take 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. This is an equation. Okay, this is one expression and this is one expression. This is algebraic expression and this is numerical expression. For example, 3x plus 4y is equal to 2z. This is an expression, right? So this kind of, and 2x plus 4y minus 2 is equal to 0. So these type of values means two expressions are separated with an equal symbol are called as what? Equations, right? We will use equal symbol whenever we will write equations, but in expressions we will not use any kind of equal symbols. Okay, whenever it is used to solve the problem, then we will take the values. Okay, now so understood the difference. Expression means contains only the in algebraic expression numbers and alphabets. Numerical expression only numbers. Equation means two expressions which are separated by an equality symbol. Okay, equal symbol. This is the difference between expression and equation. Okay, now next topic. What is our next topic? Based on terms, algebraic expressions are divided into some kinds. So let us see some kinds that. So What is the first one is monomial, second one is binomial, third one is trinomial, next is multinomial. Okay, so listen here, monomial. Monomial means, in the definition, in the word itself it is there. Mono means what? Mono means one, means single. Okay, it contains single term. Okay, binomial means same. See here, bi means two, means it contains two terms. Trinomial means, tri means what here? Three, so it contains three terms. Next, multinomial means more than three. See, multinomial you can take more than three, more than one also, it is multinomial only. Okay, more than one also you can take it as a multinomial only. Now, monomial means how many terms? One term. Binomial means two terms. Trinomial means three terms. Multinomial means more than three or more than one, can be called as multinomial. So, how you will define? These are all types of a polynomials. Okay, we can take these all are the types of a polynomials. In algebraic expressions also we can take it as a monomial, binomial, trinomial and multinomial. In polynomials we will define as a polynomial which contains one term is called as monomial. A polynomial which contains two terms is called as binomial. A polynomial which contains three terms is called as trinomial. A polynomial which contains more than three terms are called as multinomial. Okay, we will discuss polynomials in the next video, complete video. Okay, so now single term is what? You can take single term. Single term means, see, 2x square y square. Is this a single term or not? Yes, this comes under only single term. Okay, and take another example, 3xy. This is also a single term. 4yz. This is also a single term. Okay, for example, 4x square, y square, z square, w square. This all comes under single term only. Okay, when we will get two terms, whenever it is separated by a mathematical operation plus or minus, means 2x plus 2. How many terms are there? Two terms. And 3x plus y. How many terms are there? Two terms. So, if the expression contains two terms, it is called as binomial expression. Next, trinomial means, you will know, simply 2x plus 3y plus 2. How many terms are there? Three terms. Three terms means 1, 2, 3. Three terms are there, so it is trinomial. Multinomial means 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Like this it is there. So more than 3. So this is also you can call it as multinomial. This also you can call it as multinomial. This is also multinomial. Understood? So based on terms only this is. Okay. Based on degree we will be having another. First only see the basic concepts. Based on terms, monomial means single term, binomial means 2, trinomial means 3 terms, multinomial means more than 3 or more than 1. So these are the based on terms. Okay, understood. Now the main important part is degree of a algebraic expression or degree of a polynomial also. The same concept you will use in polynomials also. Okay, how we will find the degree? How we will find the degree? So I am writing one expression, for example 2xy. Okay, we will see one by one. Next, 4x square y cube. Next, you can write 3x plus 2y plus 2. Next, 3x power 4 plus 2x cube plus 3. Now see, now degrees. We will define degrees very simply. See here, what is the power of x? Definitely see once. Degree means you have to see the power of variables only, not the constant terms. Okay, you have to see the powers of only variables. Okay, 2 x power 1 y power 1 means how much is the power? 2. So degree of an expression is 2. Here what is the degree of expression? 5. Okay, here what is the degree of 2 plus 3, right? 2 plus 3 will be 5. Here 1, here also 1. So what will be the degree? See, whenever you are getting these kind of expressions, you have to check the highest degree. Okay, you have to see the highest degree. What is the highest degree? Here also 1, here also 1. So the highest degree you can take it as 1. Here what is the highest degree? 4. So the degree of expression is 4. Understood? So the degree of polynomial, degree of an algebraic expression, you can define how you can define the highest degree of an expression is defined as degree of the following algebraic expression or polynomial. Okay, highest degree, you have to see the highest degree. For this, no need of taking the highest degree, but if it is trinomial, multinomial, 2 terms, 3 terms, then you should check the highest degree. For example, let us take an example. 3x square y square plus 2xy plus 2. What is the degree? Can you tell me? See here you are getting 4, 2 plus 2 4, here 1 plus 1 2. So what is the highest degree? 4. So definitely you can write the degree of the algebraic expression is 4. Okay, so this is the degree concept, degree of a degree or power. Okay, now like terms and unlike terms. Now like terms and unlike terms. What is meant by like terms and what is meant by unlike terms? Simply I will give you the difference between these two. By writing the equations only you can understand. Means, see, first I will write the equations, then you will know. See here. Now, if you observe, definitely you only can say what is that? Like terms means it should contain same variable and same exponent. Okay, same variable and same exponent. No need of the constant terms. Constant terms may be anything. Okay, it should contain same variable and exponent. Exponent means nothing but power or degree. Okay, exponent means nothing but power or degree. So if you observe the examples which I have written on the board, 2x and 3x, here x is the common variable and power is 1 for these two, and here 3y and 4y, y is the common variable and 1 is the power, and here 8y square, 9y square, 2 is the common power and y is the common variable, and here 3xy and 9xy, xy is the common variables, powers are 2. Okay, so how you can define? Like terms are defined as that the expressions contains same variable and exponent are called as like terms. If the expression does not contain same variable and exponent, equal variable and exponent, then they are unlike terms simply. So see, 2x square, 3x cube. Here variable is same but powers are different, so it is unlike. Here xy and y square, here xy is there, here y square is there, definitely it is unlike. Here 3x cube, 3x power 4, variables are same but powers are different. Here variables are same, powers are different. So these type of terms are called as unlike terms. These type of terms are called as like terms. Okay, like terms and unlike terms. Understood? So now let us discuss about coefficients. Coefficients. This is very important. Coefficients, see, numerical factors are called as coefficients. We know that. Numerical factors are called as coefficients. But another one topic is there. So see here, first numerical factors means what is meant by coefficient? First of all, 4xy is there. Okay, 4xy. This is the numerical factor and this is the variable, right? Yes, this is the constant term and this is the variable. So what is meant by coefficients? Coefficients means number which is multiplied to the variable, means a constant which is multiplied to the variable is called as coefficient. So that's why numerical factors are called as what? Coefficients. Okay, here what is the coefficient of xy? 4. Okay, understood. Numerical factors means numbers which are multiplied to the variables are called as what? Coefficients. Now let us take some kind of examples here. 3x square plus 2x plus 2 and 4x square y square. Next, any examples you can take. 4y square plus 2y plus 2. Next, 2x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 2. So see here. Now let us see the coefficients. Now I am asking, what is the coefficient of x square? What is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is 3. Okay, for x square, what is the constant that is multiplied? 3. So coefficient is 3. Okay, now what is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is 2. Coefficient of x is 2. Now what is the coefficient of x power 0? X power 0. X power 0 means nothing but, you know the formula, a power 0 is equal to 1. A means you can take x power 0 is also 1. So x power 0 coefficient is what? 2. Understood? Means here 1 is there, means 2 into 1 will be 2 only. 1 can be defined as x power 0. So if he is asking the coefficient of x power 0, you can write as 2. Okay, now understood. X square, sorry, 3 is the coefficient of x square, 2 is the coefficient of x, again 2 is the coefficient of x power 0. And here what is the coefficient of x square y square? X square y square coefficient is 4. 4 is multiplied to that expression. Now here what is the coefficient of y square? Coefficient of y square is 4. Okay, what is the coefficient of y? 2. What is the coefficient of y power 0? Y power 0 is 2. Okay, here what is the coefficient of x cube? 2. Coefficient of x square 3. Here coefficient of x is 2. Coefficient of x power 0 is 2. Understood? So these are the numerical factors are called as coefficients. But see here, all the times numerical factors only are not called as coefficients. Now see, you will take the same examples. 4xy is I am asking the question as coefficient of y and coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of y and coefficient of x in the same expression? What you can say, what will be the answer? C. Always numerical factors will not be, right? So y and the one definition is, okay, see here, y, what is multiplied to y? 4x. What is multiplied to y here? 4x. Means coefficients can be taken as, how the coefficients can be taken? It should be multiplied to the given term. Means for example, in the previous example, what we have got, coefficient of xy is equal to 4. If you multiply these two, you will get the expression, right? If you multiply these two, 4 into xy, you will get 4xy. In the same way, for each and every coefficient, we should get the same concept. Okay, so coefficient of y means what you can write? 4x. Why 4x? Because definitely if you multiply these two factors, you should get the expression. Understood? If you multiply these two, you should get the expression. So that's why always only numerical factors cannot be the coefficients, but based on the problems, based on the given options, we will write algebraic expressions also as the coefficients. Now what is the coefficient of x here? 4y. Okay, coefficient of x is what? 4y, like that. Okay, you can write like this. And take the example as 2x square plus 2. 2x square plus 2. He is asking the coefficient of x in this expression. Coefficient of x in this expression. How you can write? See, for getting 2x square, how much you should multiply to x? 2x. 2x into x will be 2x square. So what will be the coefficient of x in this expression? 2x is the coefficient. Understood? So numerical factors and also the variables containing constants will be also the coefficients of sometimes. Understood? So this is about the coefficients of algebraic expressions. Understood? Now we have discussed about degree, difference between expression and equation, what is meant by algebraic expression, what is meant by numerical expression, what is meant by degree of an expression, how many terms are there, means based on terms how many algebraic expressions are there, and like and unlike terms, and what is that last one is coefficients, right? These are the topics we have covered now. So these are very important topics for the basics of algebraic expressions. Okay, if you had any doubts based on these topics, please comment me in my comment section. So please do watch, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Ganitha Sarathi. Thank you.